Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll discuss about how landing pages work. What are the landing pages, how landing pages works, what are the objectives of a landing page. Let's get started with it. Landing page objectives. What are basically the landing page objectives? What is the purpose of landing page? Why we need to create a landing page? The basic purpose of creating a landing page is to drive traffic either from organic results or through paid campaign. The basic purpose of creating a landing page is to drive specific targeted traffic either organically or through a paid campaign. You can run a paid campaign and you can give the title, the heading, and give the URL of that particular landing page, and you can also generate the traffic organically through the search engines by having a link displayed in the search engines. Traffic eventually leads to inbound marketing and lead generation. The fundamental formula of online business including landing pages is landing page is equal to traffic, traffic is equal to leads, leads is equal to customers, customers is equal to business. That is the ultimate goal of a good landing page, and the reason why we actually create a landing page is because for the inbound marketing and lead generation. It is to generate a lead. It could be either for the purpose of actually making a sales, doing an online business, or a sign up or a registration. These are actually the objectives of a landing page. It is built and implemented with a specific purpose to deliver a specific result. The landing pages are built and implemented with a specific purpose to achieve a specific result. It could be a sign up, it could be an online sales, it could be a sale of a product, or it could be information that is actually to create an awareness and so that the sign ups happens and you start actually engaging with your leads. These are the main objectives of having a landing page. How landing pages work? A good landing page converts an unknown visitor to a lead into a customer. The leads actually are basically in the first place are the unknown visitor. I as a user, I am browsing through internet, I am browsing through the search engines, I am going through a various number of sites. I run into a good landing page through organically or through paid search engine, or I may also receive an email from a company with a landing page, and these are basically the unknown visitors. I do not know the company, I do not know what services, what products they are selling, and why actually they have built the landing page and what is actually available in the landing page. But I click on that link, I end up on that landing page. I am basically an unknown visitor, and this unknown visitor, if I find that product or a service or a solution that is actually required by me, that I am looking for, I may turn into a lead. Basically, an unknown visitor like me who ends up at the landing page could turn into a lead, and that lead, if I am interested, I may buy that product or a service from that particular company. It is actually converts an unknown visitor into a lead, leading to becoming a customer. Content with images and videos are displayed with a clear CTA. The most important point we need to remember is we have to have a clear CTA with content, with images, including videos if you have videos. These are actually form the core part of the entire landing page. It is completely focused on a particular offer. It has to be specific. Landing pages are basically created and implemented not because they are having multiple services, multiple solutions, or multiple products. I as a company, I may have a company, I offer a lot of services, a lot of solutions, and a lot of products, but I do not keep the all services, all solutions in one particular landing page. I do with a specific purpose of selling a specific product, and that is actually the goal of a good landing page. A product sale is actually possible if it is on a good landing page. A user comes to the landing page, what is this product, what the product offers, what are the features of the product, what are the benefits of the product, how the product will help me in my business or in my area of operation. The entire information is actually provided of one particular product. The users actually, unknown visitors, could turn into a lead when they actually purchase your product. It could be an opt-in sign up. Landing pages are also built to lead generation. Landing pages are also built to actually gather data and capture data. so that the company can engage and interact with them by running an email campaign, by sending them newsletters. Landing pages can also be specifically made to capture the data, which is basically a opt-in sign up. It could also happen on online sales. If I am selling an e-book, a particular tool or a software which is downloadable, the entire information of that particular product is available on the landing page. I read the complete information, I come in the bottom, the call to action is available, I click on that, I make the online payment, and they actually download the particular software. Online sales is also a part of the landing page, and this is actually how the landing page works. Tips for an effective landing page. What are the tips that you can actually think of implementing in your good landing page? Design must be consistent with the offer made. The design that you have on the landing page, make sure that that is consistent with the offer that you are making. Compelling headline. Make sure that your headline captures the imagination of the unknown visitor. Address pain points, extremely important. What are the pain points that the customer is actually facing, and how you can actually solve that problem with your product. Explain how the offer solves a problem. If you are offering a particular solution to a problem, clearly explain how this solution problem could be solved. Explain offers made clearly, lucidly and effectively. Explain all the offers that you are making clearly, lucidly and effectively, extremely important. Create an urgency. This is a very, very important point that we need to actually think of implementing on a good landing page. You need to create that urgency among the customers so that they can take the action. Only promise what you can deliver. More often than not, we see that on a landing pages a lot of content is written with a lot of benefits, with a lot of facilities, features of a particular product. It may have, it may not happen sometimes. Just to make the sale, people do that, but make sure that you do not indulge in such practices. The only promise what you can deliver. Promise what you can deliver. Do not promise anything on the landing page that you cannot deliver. Compelling CTA. At the bottom, have a compelling CTA, a call to action, and create an urgency so that the user, actually an unknown visitor who comes to a landing page, takes an action on a landing page. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is landing page objectives, how landing pages work, tips for an effective landing page. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.